Hey guys, may gabi niyo guys. Namin diri sa taas sa Canopy sa restaurant sa Uma. Kauman ako si partner ni Kevin. Bugay na delikado na pero I love Jesus Christ, Son of the Lord. He was conceived by the power of the Holy Spirit, unborn of Virgin Mary. He suffered and Pontius Pilate, was crucified and died, was buried, and ascended into the dead. Yes, again, ascended into heaven and seated at the right hand of the Father. Welcome to the judge and living and the dead.
Dapat ikaw sa kawas no?
Mo lagi.
Para nakagitna.
Ulit-ulit ah.
Kira man puli-puli rami.
In Jesus Christ, the only Son of God, was conceived by the power of the Holy Spirit, and born of Virgin Mary.
Pero wala nang suga pre kay parang nag-video ha.
Wala eh. Nirimiss taas oh. Canopy. Canopy, tawag ni pre? Yun.